We're here in the Can-Eng booth at the 2011 Heat Treat Show. Here with Joe Saliba. We're going to talk a little bit about Can-Eng. So, Joe, got a couple questions for you. First, just generally, for those people who might not know Can-Eng, just tell us a bit about Can-Eng, a little bit about history, product lines, and things of that sort.
Yeah, well, Can-Eng is located in Niagara Falls, Canada, which I'm not sure that everybody knows that, but we've been in business since 1964. We focus on three main products, essentially. The heat treatment of aluminum products, steel plant furnaces as well, and our standard product line, which we refer to as mesh belt furnace systems.
I understand that Can-Eng is involved with replacement parts as well, replacement services. Tell me a bit about that.
Yeah, obviously we want to service all of our customers to the best of our ability, and lately the focus has been on really trying to pass along savings to our customers and make sure that we have a competitive offering. I feel that a lot of our customers and customers in general feel that OEMs are not necessarily always the most cost-effective provider of replacement parts. And I know based on some feedback from our customers that our pricing is very competitive. But the fact that we offer genuine Can-Eng replacement parts and parts that we know are going to fit when they're delivered to our customers, it's important that they can expect that they're going to work, because we're hearing things about more cost-effective or cheaper, I guess we'll say, parts. But there's hidden costs in trying to make them fit sometimes, or they're not buying the exact same quality. So it's been a real focus, and the effort is being made to really help our customers, is what we're trying to do.
Right. Along the same lines that you get your genuine GM parts, let's say, for your cars, sure. You know they're going to work, you know they're designed specifically for that system. Is that's
the point. And there are replacement parts available, but with the genuine Can-Eng parts made by people at Can-Eng, all of the history is in that part. We have all the documentation that goes along with it, and in the end, when it arrives at the customer's door, they can drop it in their furnace. They don't have to worry about anything.
No questions.
That's
no
right.
questions. It's going to work. Okay, great. Tell me about some of the other things then, Joe. Obviously, you've got your furnace lines, major furnace lines we talked about. You got your genuine replacement parts. What other services might Can-Eng be offering and since we're here at the Heat Treat Show,
sure.
To heat treaters specifically?
Yeah, that's something we get involved in. We typically on what I do at Can-Eng is aftermarket sales. And so there's typically a problem that a customer will call us with, and I'll work with the customer to try and develop a solution. It's obviously going to be a furnace-related problem or a controls-related problem, but we could pull from our existing engineering and everything that we've done in the past to try and adapt or innovate or create something that's going to work for our customer, and it's an engineered solution that we stand behind, and that's a service that we can offer to customers, our existing customer base, or any other manufacturer's equipment as well. We're willing to get involved.
So generally speaking then, if a heat treater has any problem, whether they're a current Can-Eng customer or not, if they've got a specific problem, Can-Eng potentially is going to be a solution provider.
We'd love to help them, and that's what we do, and it's working well.
All right. So now, companies are often bringing out new products, new services, that type of things at a show like this. How about Can-Eng? Anything new?
Yeah, new for us is we are introducing a new oven line. It's something that we've done a lot of ovens in the past, but the primary focus has been on the higher temperature thermal heat treating equipment. So that being said, there's opportunities for us to grow as a company, and the oven business seems to be a good spot to work towards. We have a good existing customer base, and if we could be kind of a one-stop shop for all their needs, and there's no reason for them not to buy something like that from us. So we do have a standard oven line now. So if anybody's looking for a new low-temperature oven, we can help them with that as well.
Very good. Now, do you know off the bat, you say you've got an established line out there. Is there any specific industries that these ovens are going into?
Well, the thing with ovens is it's such a diverse product range. We see guys from paint and plastic all the way to thermal treatment, thermal heat treatment. So it's interesting, and getting to meet a few different people in different industries, I guess, at this point.
Right. Well, very good, Joe. That's great. It sounds good. We'll look forward to seeing more about the genuine Can-Eng replacement parts, and I wish you the very best on the new oven line.
Thanks, Doug.
All right, thanks, Joe.